I don't think people understand just how rich and colorful Jamaica's past really is. From ancient inhabitants to colonial conquests, let's explore the layers of history that make Jamaica truly unique. Nestled in the heart of the Caribbean, Jamaica wasn't always the tourist paradise we know today. Long before the arrival of Europeans, the indigenous Taino people thrived here, living in harmony with the island's natural beauty. But in 1494, the arrival of Christopher Columbus marked a pivotal turn. Claiming Jamaica for Spain, Columbus opened the door to over a century of Spanish rule, reshaping the island's destiny. Fast forward to 1655, and the plot thickens as the British conquer the island, introducing new cultures and customs that would brew the rich, multicultural tapestry of modern Jamaica. Today, as you sway to reggae rhythms and soak in the sun, remember the deep, diverse currents of history that flows through this island, making Jamaica not just a place to visit, but a place to experience a remarkable past.